very first episode of Furncare Focus. In this series, we'll be diving into topics that matter to you most. I'm Sheldon, Business Development Manager here at Furncare.
And I'm Jade, Projects Design Manager.
And today, we'll be kicking things off with creating spaces for elderly care environments.
Whether you're designing a new facility from scratch or refurbing an existing space, we've got tips and tricks to help you out.
So, without further ado, let's head to the showroom to find out more. So today we'll be covering off two main topics. Firstly, how to best arrange your communal areas, such as lounges and dining rooms.
Secondly, we'll also be looking at how best to furnish your residents' bedrooms to promote relaxation and functionality.
In lounges and communal areas, avoid placing chairs just around the perimeter of the room. Instead, try to create clusters of chairs or breakout zones. By doing this, it really does encourage positive social interaction between residents.
It's also important that these areas allow easy access for those using wheelchairs or mobility aids. Pathways should be unobstructed to allow for this. Now let's talk about dining areas. It's important to consider your different residents. Some find arms-on dining chairs helpful for standing, while others may feel restricted by them. So it's always good to have a variety of options.
For high use areas, especially when you have dementia or nursing residents, we'd normally always recommend you choose a chair with a hygiene gap, such as our Vicky chair.
And if your dining area doubles as an activity space, consider flexible tables. For example, 2 4-seaters can be joined together for larger groups, or you can opt for collapsible tables like the Wayland.
For an effective bedroom layout, prioritise an open and functional design. Aside from the essential bed choice, the standard package we'd always recommend is having a wardrobe, chest, bedside. In larger rooms where you have extra space, a high back chair, a coffee table and overbed table is also a great option. And having worked in the sector for 20 years, we're very aware of the needs of safety, particularly in the bedrooms. So all of our bedroom furniture ranges would have A, soft close doors and drawer runners, and B, rounded corners and edges to protect the residents whilst in their rooms.
Your fabric selection makes a big impact on the end result of a room. Try to consider the light levels within your space. For example, in rooms that are lacking natural light, I would advise selecting fabrics with a higher LRV value, which will reflect more light around your space.
So, there you have it, the first episode of Furncare Focus. We hope you found all the tips and tricks very helpful. So as a quick review, firstly in your communal areas, make sure you cluster your seating, as that really does promote social interaction. Secondly, throughout the home, try and have a range of different seating types, as that caters for different care offerings within the home.
And don't forget the importance of selecting fabrics when you're looking at your care environments. Thanks again for tuning in to Furncare Focus. Make sure to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next episode.